Namaste to everyone present. Good morning to very good morning to the parents as well as to the students. Okay children, welcome to the EVS session. Now everybody are ready with your EVS book and Little Thinker. That is Little Thinker, EVS Little Thinker, a pencil, eraser and a sharpener. Now everybody are ready now. Shall we go into this lesson now? Yes, good. Shall we start? So now this is the lesson 3, My Neighborhood lesson. See EVS subject, lesson 3, My Neighborhood. My, Neighood. My neighborhood. My neighborhood. Okay children, shall we go deep into the lesson now? Good. See, this is the neighborhood places. There are many houses, buildings, apartments, many people, many shops, stores, like that. Many neighborhood places are there. Now we are going to see further in detail. Okay. What is neighborhood? I taught you the area around our house is called our neighborhood. The area, many areas, many buildings, many stores, bus stands, restaurant, hospital, everything is all your neighborhood. Okay children, the area around our house is called our neighborhood. What is neighborhood? The area around our house is called our neighborhood. See the spelling for neighborhood: Neighourhood. Neighborhood. Okay, simultaneously you can underline the words also, or you can note it down in your rough note also. Okay children, see neighbors, the people those are living in the neighborhood places, they are your neighbors. Neighbors spelling, see the neighbors: Neighours. Neighbors. Neighours. Okay, neighbors. So repeatedly we are saying you the spelling, so everybody by heart and learn the spellings. Okay, our houses, see our houses are located near each other. They are your neighbors, they are our neighbors. Has everybody went out and saw all the neighborhood places? What and all is there near to your house? Whether it is a school, bank or post office or any other neighborhood places, have you all seen around your house? Yes, good. See, for examples, we told about your friend's house, that is our friend's house, park, bank, police station, hospital, railway station, bus stand, school, library and restaurant. Like this, we saw about the many neighborhood places. So we are going to see in more detail. Okay, some neighborhood places, some spellings for that. See bank, police station, bus stand, library, post office, restaurant, railway station, school, hospital. These are some neighborhood places. See the pictures also in this picture. See here, nearby, everything, all the neighborhood places are there. Bank, library. See the people are also, they are there. Okay. See a dog is there. Now, what is the neighborhood qualities? For a neighborhood, what is the good qualities? We are giving you few points. Okay. Welcome. 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 YOUR. Your neighbors. NEIGHBOURS. You have to welcome your neighbors with a smile. When a neighbor is entering inside a house, we have to welcome them with a smile. Welcome my neighbor, welcome my friend, or welcome sir, or welcome ma'am. Like this we have to welcome them with a good smile. Super. I know you're all very charming and smiley face. You all will welcome, no? Good. Then invite your friends. INVITE. Invite. YOUR. Your. NEIGHBOURS. You have to invite your neighbors. If there is a function in your house or a marriage or any other functions, you have to invite your neighbors by giving an invitation to them, by calling them. We have to invite your neighbors to your house. Okay, then see the next one. Let your neighbor how if you plan. Let your neighbor, LET, let, YOUR. Your Neighbor, Neigh, your neighbor. Know, Know, know. If you plan, see what are the plans. If you're planning good, you can share it with your neighbors. Let your neighbor how if you plan. Okay, you can share the good things along with your neighbors. Then lend, a tool or any tools like screwdriver, any other things. If your neighbors are in need, you can lend them. You can lend a tool or a cup of sugar to your neighbor in need. If any your neighbor is in need, you have to help them by lending your things. Okay. Then help, Help, help your neighbor, Neigh, your neighbor in trouble. If your neighbor is in any trouble, you can go them, you can ask them, how can I help you, my friend? If you want any help, you can ask me. Like this, you can help your neighbors if there is any trouble, if they're getting any problem, if there are any accidents in their neighborhood places, you can go them, you can help them. Okay, children. Like this, you can help everybody. The next one, don't play. See, DONT, don't play music. MUSIC, music throughout the night. See, the whole day, night time, if you're playing lot of music at the night time, of your neighbors, they will sleep. You should not disturb the neighbors. So don't play throughout the night time and all. We should not play the music. Okay, children. That we have to help our neighbors. Okay, use mild language with your neighbors. mild, mild, language, language with your neighbors. You have to talk politely with your neighbors. Okay, don't use any harsh words. These are the good qualities to follow with the neighbors. Okay, like this, we should also follow with our neighbors and we should have a good relationship with our neighbors. Okay, we are doing these things to our neighbors also should follow this. Okay. Next, we are going to see about the neighborhood places. What and all the neighborhood places we saw in the list, one by one we are going to see in detail. Okay, what is this? Can you able to see? Yeah, this is all money. This is a place. These are the employees. Yeah, this place is the bank. BANK, bank. Okay, a BANK, bank is a place. PLACE, place. Okay, children, this is a place where we keep our money safe. This is a place where we will all keep our money safe. Good. There you can keep the money, your jewels, everything. Along with your parents, you can go to the bank and see what and all is going on there. We used to have a challan for depositing and withdrawal, like that. We can have a joint account with their parents also. Like this, you can also save the money and deposit in the bank. It's a very good habit, children. You can deposit few money, you can help your parents, or you can buy few things of yourself along with your parents. Okay, what and all the needs, you can help your parents. A bank is a place where we keep our money safe. This is a place where we can keep our money, jewels and all in a safe place. Okay, children. Good, very good. Now see here, in the neighborhood places there is a bank. If this is your house, for example, see, this is the neighborhood place. It's a bank for you. Public bank. They see many people are going around here and there. Like this, see, Green Tech. Many places are, many buildings, apartments are there. Okay, like this. This is your neighborhood places. Okay. Now we saw about the bank. Now next thing we can see. Yes, good. What is this? It's a police station. POLICE, police. STATION, police station. See, oh, because the police station. Then who is he? He's a policeman. Good. Oh, then who is she? She is a policewoman. Yes, in the police station, policeman as well as the policewoman are working. Okay. How they will help us? Yes, the THE, the POLICE, the police. PROTECT, protect us. US, us. How the police will protect us. If there is any theft has happened in your house, you can go and complain to the police station and they will help you and they will protect your things and all. Like this, if any things are robbed or if any person is snatching anything, you can go and complain at the police station. They will come and help you. They are the helpers for us. Okay. See here one. Wow. See one policeman is running behind a robber. See one robber is going. He's stealing everything. Everything is going. He's running behind him and he's catching. Like this, the policeman will protect us and safeguard us. Okay. If a neighbor in your neighborhood place, if a police station is there, then you are all be very safe. Okay. Next one. Bus stand. What is this? It's a bus stand. See, the people are sitting, standing. See, this is what is this yellow color? What is this color of our school bus? Yeah, yellow color. See, our school bus will be in yellow in color. See, like this. Many colors are there, many buses. These are the other buses. Only all the school buses will be in yellow color. Okay. BUS bus, STOP stop, IS is a PLACE is a place, where WHERE where, BUSES buses, ARRIVE arrive, and 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 DEPART depart. A bus stop is a place where buses arrive and depart. Good, very good. This is a place where they will come, where all the buses will be coming here and the people will go inside. This is a place. Okay. Like this, the bus will go around many places. Okay. It will be very easy and the expense is also less. Good. This is a place where the buses will come and it will go. Good. See here. Here also many buses are there. Many people are going here and there to many places, many countries and many districts. We have many buses. Okay. Good. See now next one. What is this? It's a, see, books and all is there. What place is this? Anyone can guess it? What place is this? Good. Very good. Very good. This is a library. 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 It's a library. Library is is a PLACE. It's a place. WHERE where. COLLECTION. Collection. It's a collection of of BOOKS. It's a collection of books. ARER. KEPT. Kept. FOR for. PEOPLE. People. TO2. READ. Read. and REFER. Refer. Library is a place where collection of books are kept for people to read and refer. Yes, very good. Here will be a, see here also there is a lot of books. Will be a plenty of books will be there. You can go there and you can read, you can knowledge, you can improve your knowledge, you can gain many knowledge. See in the library, see why all the people are sitting quietly and they are reading. See, they will be making many noise. No, there will be a pin drop silence. Nobody will make noise. They will be going there and sitting and they will be doing their own work by reading only the books. See the children here, the adults are sitting and reading. Like this, all the people in the library, they will be sitting quietly and reading because this is a place where we can gain more knowledge. Okay. Okay children, library is a place where collection of books are kept for people to read and refer. Okay, you also can go along with your parents to the library. Is a place you can near to your house and all. It may be any libraries. You can go there. You can search of books. You can take to home also. You can get the permission from the librarian. You can take it to the home and read. You can improve our knowledge. This is the place where we can gather more knowledge. Okay children, see this is a place where we can gather more knowledge. Okay ma. See now once again what and all we saw, the neighborhood places. The neighborhood places, the neighborhood. The area around our house is called our neighbor. Good. Now the neighbors, the houses are located near each other. They are our neighbors, like our friends, park, bank, police station, hospital, railway station, bus stand, school, library and restaurant. These are the neighbors. The person, those who are living in the neighborhood places, they are your neighbors. Good. See the pictures of the neighborhood places. What are the spellings, the wordings for the neighborhood places? Then the tips to be followed to be a good neighbor. You can welcome your neighbors with a good smile, and you can invite your neighbors. You can have, if you are having a good plan, you can share with your friends, with your neighbors. You can lend many things. You can lend few things to your neighbors if they are in need. Then you can help your neighbors if when they are in trouble. Okay, then you should not play music throughout the night. It will be a disturbance. It will be a big disturbance for your neighbors. Not only for the neighbors, it's also a disturbance to your family members also. Then you have to use mild language with your neighbors. Okay, these are the few points to follow as a good neighbor. Then we saw about the bank. This is all small recap. Okay, that's a bank. Bank is a place where we keep our money safe. This is a place where we can keep our money, jewels, everything safe. Okay, you all can go along with your parents to your bank and see what and all what are the procedures are going on. Okay, next, police station. Police station is a place where they will protect us. Yes, they are the people. They will be protecting us. They will be safeguarding us from many other troubles. Okay. See how they are running and chasing and catching everything. Next is the bus stand. Bus stand is a place where many buses will come and they will go. That is arrive and depart. A bus stop is a place where buses arrive and depart. Okay. See many buses. Next is the library. Library is a place where collection of books are kept for people to read and refer, because library is a very good place where we can go and gain more knowledge. Okay, so hereafter you can have a habit of reading more books daily. At least one page you have to read in a book. Okay, so that you can gather more knowledge, and we can have a habit of reading the newspaper also. Newspaper reading is also a very good habit to gain the knowledge. What is happening in our district and all we can know by reading the newspaper with the help of your parents. If you struggle to read, with the help of your parents you can read the newspaper. Okay, it's a very good habit. Okay ma. Next, okay, by this we will end the session. Okay, take care and read well. Okay children, bye bye.